This loaf of bread has 80% more protein and 50% less carbs than a regular loaf of bread. And it's not some weird, flourless, tasteless nut bread. This bread actually tastes delicious and it's actually good for you. So if you want a loaf of bread that is better for you, fills you up for longer, and is way cheaper than what you can buy at the store, well, watch this video to the end. Let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into how to do that. We can split the ingredients of this bread into two different categories. We have the dry ingredients and we have the wet ingredients. Let's go through those. An obvious ingredient in bread is flour. Now, not just any flour. It's actually really important which type of flour you buy, because this will alter how many carbohydrates and how much protein is in each loaf of bread. What you should aim for when you buy bread, buy the highest protein content possible. We're talking 12, 13, 14, maybe 15 grams of protein per 100 grams of flour. Now, quite often when you go to the shop, you buy flour and it has only 8 or 9 grams of protein per 100 grams. And that's significantly going to reduce the amount of protein in this recipe. So buy the highest protein flour you possibly have. This flour here has 14 grams of protein per 100 grams of flour. I've got 400 grams of flour here. Next up, we have 20 grams of chia seeds. Like in other videos, we're going to grind these up into a fine powder. The reason we do this is it helps our body absorb all of those important nutrients, and it also allows the chia seeds to absorb heaps of water and bring this bread together. So quite an important ingredient here. 60 grams of sunflower seeds here, high in protein, really good for you. We've got 90 grams of flaxseed or linseed here. This is packed full of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, really, really good for you, but it's also really high in protein as well. So that's going to boost up our protein content. 15 grams of salt. We've got 7 grams of active yeast here, obviously a very important ingredient in making bread. Now, it's really hard to make high protein bread without the addition of a protein isolate of some form. Now, obviously you don't want vanilla or chocolate flavored bread. I mean, maybe you do you. So what you need to do for this recipe is get a flavorless protein. Now, I actually find taste-wise, non-dairy protein tastes the best. So this is pea protein here, and I'd highly recommend trying to find that. It only cost me about $10 for a bag, really cheap, but super high in protein, and actually really good for you as well. So we're going to include this. I've got 90 grams of pea protein here. Now, for the wet ingredients, we've got some interesting ones here. We're going to put in 180 grams of Greek yogurt here. Now, this actually works really well in bread. It keeps the bread really soft. It brings a whole bunch more nutrients and flavor, but it also brings more protein. So I think this is a very important ingredient. Don't skip out on it. To help the yeast along and bring just a little bit of sweetness, which is a good thing in bread, I have 10 grams of honey here. One of the frustrating things about making bread at home is that it stales, it goes off, it goes moldy within honestly a few days. So I've got 10 mils of a super ingredient that is natural, it's a fermented byproduct, but it's actually going to act as a preservative. But to find out what that is, stick around to the end because we'll talk about this one a little bit more. And lastly, I've got 400 ml of warm water, and we're also going to include a little bit of olive oil as well. Okay, that's everything. Let's make it. First up, to a large bowl, let's add all of our dry ingredients. 400 grams of high protein flour, our pea protein, our sunflower seeds, 7 grams of active yeast, 15 grams of salt. We'll grind up our 20 grams of chia seeds. If you need a grinder like this, there's a link in the description where to find one. There we go, our chia seeds are nice and fine. You can see they're actually a powder now. In they go, and we'll mix that up. Once that's all evenly mixed, let's put that to the side. Now, to an even bigger bowl, let's add all of our wet ingredients. We've got 400 grams of warm water, 180 grams of Greek yogurt, 10 grams of honey, the 10 ml of our secret ingredient, and likewise, let's stir that up. All that's left to do is take our dry mix and put it into the wet mix. Once this is all mixed together, you'll see this is quite a shaggy dough, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Now, because we're using active yeast, the proofing happens really quite quickly, especially because we used honey and warm water. Now, we're not done here. We are going to build a bit more strength in this dough so that we get a better rise in the oven. But once you've mixed everything together, let this sit for about 20 minutes. All of that flour and those chia seeds that we ground up will absorb all of that water, and we'll be able to work with this a bit easier. So grab a tea towel, 20 minutes. Once your 20 minutes is up, we're going to take this and dump it onto the bench. So take your dough onto the bench there. One of the best tools in bread making, link in the description. Now this is quite a dry dough or a low hydration dough, so it's quite easy to work with. We're just going to build some strength by either kneading it or doing some stretch or slap and folds like that. So we pick up our dough, slap it down, stretch it over, pull it down. Pick up our dough, slap it down, stretch it over. Just like that. You'll notice the first few times you do this, the dough is actually ripping, and that's for two different reasons. A, this dough isn't very strong yet, and B, we've got a lot of stuff in the bread. In the world of bread, these are called inclusions. So we've got linseeds and sunflower seeds and chia seeds. They actually disrupt the gluten network, which is frustrating, but well worth including them. There's only so much we can do with this first stretch and fold, so after a few of them, straight back into the bowl. We'll let that rest for 20 minutes. Another 20 minutes has passed. Wet hands, slap, fold over, pull towards you. Slap, fold over, pull towards you. And as we do this, you'll start noticing the texture of the bread starts changing. It starts becoming smoother and the gluten in it starts becoming a bit more strong. That's the goal. As soon as you start noticing little rips in the structure of the bread, stop there. That's the limit. We'll rest it for another 20 minutes. And we'll do that another 2 or 3 more times. After about your second or third set of stretch and folds, it's probably a good time to get the oven going. So we're going to get this at 220 degrees Celsius. Whatever that is in Fahrenheit will be on the screen. We've got about 1 more stretch and fold to do, but after we've done that one, we want to put it in the container that we're going to bake it in, because it still needs to proof. Now I'm just using a standard baking tin. You can put this in whatever you want. You can free bake it as just a dough ball, and that will work out really well as well. But I do not want this getting stuck, so I'm gonna put some baking paper down. Simple as that. Okay, this is our last round of stretching. We're going to do this one a little differently. So we're gonna again tip that out onto the bench. With wet hands again, I'm actually going to try and stretch this dough out so it becomes almost like one big blanket of dough. So we want to stretch this out as far as it will go without ripping. If it does rip, that's okay. We've taken it just a little bit too far, not a big deal. But again, we're just trying to get this as far as it'll go. This is a really great way of building strength in the dough. We don't have to do this, but I think it works really well for this dough. So once we're in this shape here, we've spread it out almost as far as it will go. We'll take our dough, fold it over itself again, and we'll just roll it up. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. It's kind of in a rough loaf shape. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this and put it into the loaf tin. Now aesthetically, we kind of want this top side to be facing up when we put this in, so we're going to bear that in mind. Just going to pick this up and put this into the loaf pan there. As simple as that. Now this isn't ready to go into the oven just yet. We need to wait for this to proof. It might take an hour, it might take 2 hours, but we're hoping for this dough to double in volume. So we're just going to wait. We keep an eye on it, we look at how big it is now, and we want to make sure that this kind of fills out the whole loaf pan, and once we're there, we can put that in the oven. So I'm going to put this away, the tea towel over the top, and we just wait. So the bread is just about there. I can feel it's nice and aerated, nice and spongy. It is just about ready to go into the oven. Now you can put it in like this. Absolutely, it will come out lovely. But I'm going to do one last thing, which I think aesthetically improves the bread, but also improves the taste. Some rolled oats. Simple as that. So it's time to put this in the oven. We've got the oven preheated to 220 degrees. I'm going to put this straight in, and mileage may vary how long that's going to take in the oven. I'd say about 20 to 30 minutes. Pull it out when it's nice and golden, and we are good to go. So, into the oven. Whew. Okay, we're done. So for me, that took about 30 minutes in the oven. Not that long at all. You can see it has puffed up awesomely. It looks super duper tasty. I mean, that looks so good. It looks like a proper rustic, super tasty loaf of bread. So you can see we've got some lovely color. Most of the oats have fallen off. So if you do use oats, press them in before you put them on. Now realistically, when you take bread out of the oven, you should wait an hour or 2 before you cut it open. I don't want to do that. It just looks too good. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Check that out. That is lovely and spongy. Let's give it a go. That is so good. It just tastes like really, really good bread. It's super high in protein. You got to give that a go. Is there anything better than fresh bread out of the oven? I don't think so. So I'll leave the macros for this in the description, but seriously, you have to give this a go. It tastes better than normal bread if you ask me. It's super high in protein, super high in fiber, will keep you full for ages. You gotta give this a go. So you may have guessed by now what this ingredient is. It's a super ingredient to add to bread for a number of reasons. It's vinegar. Just regular old vinegar, and you only need a tiny little bit. Now this acts as a preservative, but also it brings a lot of flavor to the bread. It brings acidity, but also it brings a lot of flavor to the bread. If you've ever had sourdough, you would have tasted that tang, and that is because some bacteria and yeast in the bread itself have converted some of the alcohols into vinegar itself. Now this acts as a preservative and it will actually keep your bread fresher for longer. We only need 10 mils of this stuff. It's a perfectly natural fermentation byproduct and it's really good for you as well. And if you're enjoying videos like this, please be sure to hit the like button below and consider subscribing. So until next time, happy cooking. Actually, I'm gonna have a bit more.